Guys, today I'm gonna teach you what is magnetism. Magnetism considered the first cousin of electricity, for they are much very related. It's also a term used to refer to the ability of lodestone to attract iron. Lodestone means the natural magnet. It also means wayfinding stone. At ancient men found many uses of lodestone, like they use it as amulets, charms, and others. Here's the example of lodestone. It attracts iron, and this is the iron. The lodestone has ability to attract the iron. Application of magnetism. Magnetism is utilized in refrigerators and also in speakers and also in trains for transportations. Types of magnetism. There are several types of magnetism, the most common of which are ferromagnetism, paramagnetism, and diamagnetism. Ferromagnetism are strongly attracted by magnet. They include iron, cobalt, nickel, and steel. While paramagnetism weakly attracted to magnets and include the transition metals, palladium, platinum, and the actinide elements. And lastly, diamagnetism is a weak response to a magnetic field, and it's also known the weakest type of magnet. Law of magnetic poles. Peter Peregrinus found that like poles repel, while unlike poles attract. And the formula of the magnetic poles is F equals K M1 M2 over distance squared.